Hi, I'm making this video for all those people who struggle a lot in learning English. In this video, I'm going to show top 5 applications available for free in mobile. Yes, just by using your mobile, you can learn English speaking. All you people need to do is give complete dedication. Everyone wish to speak, read, write, listen and understand perfectly in English. The only thing which pulls them back is their inner fear, nervousness, hesitation, weak self-confidence. And all these weak points comes when you don't have a proper vocabulary in your brain. Or you might have proper vocabulary stored in your brain, but still your weakness is alive. Why? Because of no proper sentence formation. I made this video to help hundreds of thousands of people to help them speak fluent English. Stop living in imagination and start working on your ambition. So let's start with our first application, that is English speaking, and it's a very user-friendly application. Okay, just press allow and here you can see they used to provide some conversations. Download these conversations. You can listen to this conversation 3 to 5 times minimum or maximum up to your learning capability, and then you can attempt the quiz which they ask. It used to be of 3 to 5 questions, and then practice by choosing the roles. Likewise, you can do for all the episodes. All these categories and conversations which they have given, you can do the same for all these. The second application is our Cake application. This application has been recently launched in 2020 only it came. Learn English in English, yes. And then you can see here they have given the code start learning English now, build the habit in 21 days. Okay, here they have given some conversations, but these conversations are in the form of a video. Okay, they are providing subtitles as well. Okay.
Anderson. Wait a minute. Hold on.
Then coming to the next, you can see here so many in the list they have given. This is for all. Okay, for basic they have given some idioms, vocab, and for beginners again the same conversations has been started. That is episodes they made in the form of episodes of I think.
Man, I wish I could eat fried chicken.
Why not? I can make some if you want.
No.
Practice the key phrases. These phrases you can practice. You first listen to it thoroughly, so that these all sentences should be fixed in your mind. Okay, you can easily read these sentences. Okay, then repeat it. Put it on the repeat mode. Then by
Man, I wish I could eat fried chicken.
see, this app is allowing you to speak now, so why not? I can make some if you want. Then tap.
Oh, I can't eat anything until tomorrow.
Likewise, you can use this app, this cake application. It's for intermediate and advanced also it's giving. Okay, in advanced they have given only 36 episodes, so I really wish within 21 days spare just 1 hour or 2 hour time daily to listen all these audios, all these conversations, all these episodes, so that you can speak English fluently. Then coming to the third application, that is Talk in English. This application is best for beginners. It gives everything in the form of text. Okay, nothing is audio type in this. The only thing is you have to read all these and you can record your voice and you can hear. So it's good for the grammatical part. If you want to be thorough in that, you can use this application. It's the best application. The only thing is not having its audio effects, so that you can listen and you can grasp everything very quickly. Okay, so this was about third application, and then fourth application is the speak English application. Again, allow record volume, and this is the best application I have found up till now, because this application is giving the daily topics. Okay, the same, you can download the audio and you can listen to it. You can play the audio and you can listen to the
Tom, you look like $1,000,000 today. What happened?
And also you can start recording and check whether you are reading all the sentences properly or not. I recommend to listen at least till the time you read all the sentence properly. Okay, when you are able to read all sentences clearly and properly with correct pronunciation, then you move on to the next part or next episode, next conversation. And on the other side, it also provides quiz. It's much easier if continue. And if you are having any doubt, like if you are not getting what this word is, you can play the audio and you can listen it. Okay, are they going to pay? It's pay, I know the answer. So this kind of quiz also this application provides. Lesson list quiz again here. To drink more than someone else, usually alcohol is what? Outdrink. Okay, thank God. To join or mix together, interweave. Okay, thank you. So that's it for this application, Your Mobile Classroom. So I found this application very interesting, and one more application is there, the last application is English, again English listening. Links of all 5 applications I'll provide in my description. You can download from there. This application is very best application compared to all previous applications. It provides daily topics, okay, based on education or house and home, shopping, all these categories. It provides conversation, then easy for basic or the beginners, and then intermediate. Then also it provides you word search, again listening quizzes also this application provides. To shoot faster or better, how to shoot. Okay, thank you. So this kind of quiz also they provide. Swim they also provide quiz. You can use any of yours. Then also IELTS writing task also they give 34 lessons of that. If you are preparing for IELTS, so this application helps you even in that. It is having word builder as well. You can see, are you following me? A break. How do you spell your name? How high Mount Everest? So out of these 5 applications, choose your best application in which you find interest in learning. That's it for this video. Thank you. Bye bye.